All right, guys. The next question is: there are so many tech resources out there, YouTube courses, blogs, and I don't even know where to begin. How do I avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay consistent with one path? Hmm. Let's talk about how we used to learn before the internet. Hmm. I remember back in the days in the boarding house, we had time for prep class, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. afternoon prep class, 8 p.m. to was it 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to that's a 7:30 to 9 p.m. every day. That is the learning model that made us, you know, who we are today. Internet today go just throw away like go just before you just get on the internet and it just throws everything at you. What you need doing is pick a platform, choose a course that you think the instructor relates with you easily. People have different teaching skills, and the good thing that internet does is that it gives you a lot of options. When I started with Bucky Robert. He is an absolutely fantastic tea instructor. It was easier to just learn with him. So I would say first thing you need to do, pick one good resource and commit to finishing it. That commitment, now the main thing. It's not about packing courses, oh my guys. It's not about packing courses. If you are comfortable with the YouTube course, go for it. If other platforms, Udemy, is your goal, go for it. If Udacity is what you're looking for, Coursera, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that commitment and that discipline to finishing a course. I don't go tell you say I be sent. You understand? In my Udemy account, I have loads of courses I've bought in the past years. Completion rate. That is the real problem. It's not to spend. Because if not course, you go see course buy. Eh. And everybody the market. You get what I mean? So, but main thing is you want to learn something. Go get that one that works for you. And and invest time in learning it. So make time out for practice. I mean, if you want to commit every day to it, it might not be possible. May not be possible. It depends on how your schedule is. If it is 30 minutes you want to commit to it, do not think about this thing. Most time we want to start something, we're always in a rush. I want to finish this and get a job in the next 3 months, and you start thinking about how your life will be after that. Mm-mm. That's what kills most dreams. Do what works for you. If 30 minutes is what works for you every day, take out 30 minutes. Do you get what I mean? Just take out 30 minutes every day and learn. If weekend is the only time you have, do not force it. You have 1 hour every weekend. Spend that 1 hour. At the end of every weekend, you do 2 hours. By the end of the month, you've done 8 hours. That can get you far by the end of the year. The pressure on trying to finish a course very quickly oftentimes leads to not even completing the course. So find just do what is suitable for you. If it is 30 minutes a day, 1 hour a day every day, or you want to commit 5 hours a week into learning, that's absolutely fine. The way I learn is I just pick a course, I skim through it. I can buy because I can buy a couple of them. Just do the introduction to see which one works best for me. Anyone that I see that's suitable for me, I stick to that one and commit time. Could be 1 hour. Could be doing my lunch hour at work. That's when I learn most of the things. So that will 1 hour lunchtime at work. I just use that. That's what I use consistently every day. May not be necessarily every day, but most of the time, that's how I do it. That's how I make progress. Um, because when I get back home, family issues and all of that. You get busy at home, whatever. So at the end of the day, you might not really commit. But see that 1 hour every Monday to Friday. If you commit that 1 hour to your studies, that's great. In your workplace where you don't have that 1 hour lunch break, you can before I got to that point where I would do 1 hour lunch break, I used to learn in the morning. When I wake up, I would just first thing I would do was to learn when my brain is still fresh. So you can do that, just commit that 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours a week and see the progress in a year. So that's the first tip I'll give to you. Then avoid distractions. Usually when you want to read for an exam, you might want to turn off your phone so people won't contact you that time. You can do that. You might want to avoid Twitter and Instagram. Just put your phone on flight mode and focus on it. Treat it as if you are reading for an exam. I think that's the mindset you need. And so if you feel overwhelmed by all these resources, just remember less is more. So one step at a time, my guy. Um, many steps in many directions will lead in the right place. So stay consistent and finish what you start. Your future self will thank you for it. Focus, practice, and patience. That's the recipe for success in tech. You can do it. Others have done it. All right. See you some other time again. Have a good time. Cheers, guys.